From our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility to the completed home on site, we'll take you through the process of constructing a modular home. In 7 short video segments, we'll cover 1. Off-site construction process. 2. Laying the foundation. 3. Crane set installation. 4. Site-built add-ons. 5. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing work, MEP. 6. Final finishing touches. 7. Touring the completed home. Crews have been working for weeks to prepare the site. They have cleared the lot, excavated, installed any below-grade water and sewer pipes, poured the foundation, backfilled, and installed the sill plates. These important tasks must be finalized before the boxes can be set. Boxes is a common industry term for modules, so you'll probably hear it often. It's important to try to position the units as close to the foundation as possible while still maintaining adequate space for the crane. The closer you can get everything to the foundation, the better, because crane costs and sizing are often determined by the distance between the foundation and the boxes. Once everything is in place, it's time to set the boxes. Selecting an experienced set crew is a critical part of a successful modular construction project. The set crew will generally provide the basic rigging and straps that are needed for setting a modular home. They will determine the pick points and will prepare the boxes to be set. With clear weather on the radar and the crews in place, it's time to begin. Before the first box is set, the following 3 items need to be completed. 1. The crane operator will need to get into position, level the crane, extract the boom, and prepare the counterweights. This is usually completed in less than 2 hours. 2. The sill plates should be inspected to make sure anchor bolts are not protruding above the plates. 3. For basement foundations, load-bearing columns need to be laid out on the basement floor and ready to install as the first box is set. The crane operator begins to lower the boxes down to the foundation, while the set crew makes sure the house is positioned accurately. Once the boxes are set in place, the rest of the project can begin. Structural fastening is required at areas around the house to ensure the units are securely attached to the foundation and that the modules are connected to each other. In basement applications like we have here, the center support columns are installed during the set process to provide proper support where the boxes come together. If a standard crawl space foundation is being used, you'll need to install support piers at predetermined locations to support the marriage wall area. Next, the crane is used to lift the hinged roof sections into place and hoist the gable end wall panels to the crew for installation. Note, some crews prefer to raise the roof sections prior to setting the boxes on the foundation. One of the most important things to accomplish on set day is getting the house as weather-tight or dried in as soon as possible. The modules have finished drywall, painted surfaces, cabinets, flooring, and other items that can be damaged if exposed to water. Most builders want to get the home weather-tight on the first day of the project. The design of the house may determine whether this is possible. To dry in a modular home, you'll need to complete the roof sections, including any shingle installation, gable end framing, house wrap, or other weather barriers. Builders often add site-built features such as dormers, gable accents, and garages to modular homes. All of these overbuilds can impact the ability to dry in the home, and therefore should be taken into consideration when planning the project. It is routine for site-built garages to be added to modular home construction projects. Preparations to accommodate a garage can be addressed in the factory during the production process. You'll want to consult with your factory representative about this during the order process. After the site-built features have been completed, you can finish the siding, soffit, fascia, roofing, and anything else associated with the exterior of the home. When the house is complete, it should be indistinguishable from a site-built home. Before starting the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing work, you may want to have the basement stairs and slab in place. It's important to keep in mind that many of the fixtures, systems prep, and wiring were included in the modular construction package installed in the factory. For this project, the furnace, cooling equipment, ductwork, plumbing main runs, and water heater were completely installed on site. This is common in a modular building project, especially when the house is being built on a full basement. In this case, the ductwork to complete the heating and cooling system was installed in the field. Venting of the plumbing system and dryer were also completed on site. Professional trade contractors are needed to complete the MEP systems that are not installed in the factory. The electrical system requires connecting to the crossover box locations. The exterior meter base is installed and provided by the local electrician, and the required wiring is fed into the panel accordingly. Other electrical installation requirements may include installing light fixtures, ceiling fans, and completing the low-voltage system in the house. Once completed, the finished systems in modular homes are similar to what is typical in a site-built home. All MEP systems are subject to field inspections by the local building authorities. The trim out and completion of the interior is an important aspect to finishing a modular home. Almost all modular homes are manufactured in sections and joined together to form the house. Trim out of the marriage areas, including walls, ceilings, flooring, and possibly stairwells, will be required. The work consists primarily of drywall, paint, and trim work. Straps, plates, and framing screws are often used at large openings and doorways to reduce movement and prevent future shifting or drywall cracking. Creating a smooth floor transition is important. The goal here is to transition from box to box without any noticeable humps or imperfections. A smooth transition allows for the seamless completion of the finished flooring. It's important that drywall at the marriage walls and ceiling areas also transition smoothly. Sections of drywall are installed to bridge the units together, creating a continuous, even finish. Blending of the ceiling finish or texture is crucial to achieving the desired outcome. Additional drywall and trim will be required in other areas throughout the house. Some on-site staircase construction, built to local codes, will be required for basements and two-story homes. Drywall cracks may occur as a result of transportation. This is fairly common in modular home building. It is the responsibility of the builder to repair these areas. Repair techniques can vary. It is important to take time and care to properly repair drywall cracks to prevent them from reappearing. Like the drywall finish, interior trim, molding, and casing will typically require some attention in the field. Touch-ups of paint, putty, and caulking may be required to meet expectations. 2 coats of flat latex primer are applied in the plant. Extra primer for touch-ups and blending at all marriage locations is provided with every house. Additional painting may also be required throughout the house. Moving on to floor covering. The factory may be able to install flooring in some rooms. The floor covering in this home is a combination of luxury vinyl plank, linoleum, and carpet. Completing the flooring from module to module is the responsibility of the builder in many areas. Achieving a seamless transition between modules is ideal. Finally, system checks for electrical, plumbing, heating and cooling, and appliances should be completed to verify everything is operating as intended. Once these have been completed, final building inspections can be scheduled. Now that the house is finished, let's take a tour. From the foyer, you'll enter the expansive living, dining, and kitchen area. The kitchen has an extra-large island with striking quartz countertops, numerous large drawers, and other modern features. It's the perfect place for just hanging out, having a casual meal, or entertaining guests. The spacious master bedroom suite features an efficient bath with a double bowl vanity and a large tile shower. The room also includes a sizable walk-in closet with ample shelving and storage space. Currently unfinished, the upper level can accommodate a large bonus space, 2 additional bedrooms, and another full bath, or can simply be used for storage. As we previously mentioned, the house was constructed on a full basement. Mechanical, plumbing, and electrical equipment were installed in the space. The additional square footage is large enough to house another bedroom, exercise room, and a large family room. The possibilities are endless. Step outside and you'll notice the special exterior detailing, which includes custom gable brackets, stone masonry accents, a wide concrete drive and walkway, all situated on a fully landscaped lot. In addition, the house offers an oversized 2-car garage, large enough to accommodate 2 full-sized pickup trucks. The final result? A home that seamlessly blends in with the neighboring site-built houses, while standing out thanks to its elegance, functionality, and quality. This completes our introduction to modular home building. We hope you'll think about us for your next project. We think it's a better way to build. Our quality, precision, and efficiencies begin in the plant, where the modules flow through multiple workstations. We utilize computer-aided design, precision tools, jigs, and supplemental workstations to design and build components. These stations construct large components like interior and exterior walls, whole floor and roof sections, dormers, and smaller assemblies like cabinets and overhangs. Completed assemblies are delivered to the modules as they roll from station to station on the assembly line. Throughout the build, our homes go through hundreds of inspections and control measures to ensure high quality and performance. Once the house has cleared all internal and state inspections, it's time to deliver the modules to the project site.